It's a beautiful day for a field trip. Field trip. Field trip. Bus ASMR. Hey vlog, we're on a field trip today to our community college, local community college. We're gonna go look at the digital art stuff, and we're gonna eat at a good restaurant. So we're going in right now. Okay guys, we did our field trip. Now we're gonna go eat. But yeah, we're going to eat at some nice restaurant with a lot of meat. So maybe we'll do some meat reviews for you. Hope you're not a vegetarian. If so, turn it off. Okay, so we'll see you when we get there. Guys, we're at the steakhouse. It's crazy.
It's yummy. It's very good.
There's a lot of food. Oh my gosh, it's actually my house.
Oh, that sounds so good.
We're at the restaurant.
Yes.
What are you eating?
Spicy chicken. I don't know what it's called. Garlic.
Hello.
What are you eating? Sweet and spicy chicken.
My idea.
It's really good.
Hey.
What are you eating?
This garlic. I haven't tried it.
I ate bacon and chicken.
Wait. This is really good.
Bacon wrapped chicken. Oh, I can have two? Thank you. Oh man, it's bleeding. I don't want to eat when he's right there. It makes me uncomfortable. I'm not vegan, but I'll eat this raw.
I usually never eat steak, so let's try this.
There's them all.
It's okay. Not too bad.
This just tastes like chicken. It doesn't taste like bacon.
8 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. Chloe's gonna try it. Okay.
This is just getting my double chin.
I don't remember what it's called, but okay, it's more done than the other. This is good. Get it off of me right now. Do it on you. Anyway, that's really good.
I don't like it.
I like it. It's really good. I've been trying new stuff that's not even really stuff that's still bleeding, and it's good. It's pretty good.
Actually, I think the spicy chicken was a lot better.
Well, you can have the rest of mine. I didn't like it. Okay, we're about to try grilled pineapple for the first time. Okay, you ready?
I mean, look.
It's warm, but it's good.
Mine's crunchy.
Well, yeah, that's why it's grilled. I like it.
That tastes so weird.
Review it. That tastes so weird.
This is crazy. You're done.
Are you recording? Is Girl Boss recording over there? Are you recording, Girl Boss? I think it tastes like normal pineapple, but like if it was left in the car.
No right there. No way it is actually. Like,
And that's how you review something.
And in the summer.
Guys, we get dessert. Oh, we get dessert too. I'm so full, but I'm making room. Basically. Ashley.
Hey, my Sony Angel.
That's your son, Angel?
Yeah. Like a butt?
Dessert. I eat so much. so much.
I'm still in the process of eating.
Like, I don't know. I want to keep eating, but I can't. Asher let me pick which dessert he got, so he's going to be surprised. We'll see his reaction. Okay, question of the day. What do you rate this restaurant?
You go first.
I think it was really good. I wish the Alfredo was warm. I give it an 8.5. And they're really considerate for you, especially since we're in a big group, and we even get free dessert, so 8.5. It's pretty good.
That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say 7.5 or 8.5.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna go 8.
It's really good. Okay, would you like to hold the camera and record Asher? Okay, now we're here with Asher. We're gonna ask him what he thought about the restaurant. Asher, what do you rate the restaurant?
I rate the restaurant. Why are you so close? I rate the restaurant a 8 out of 10.
Okay, now we're going to Ashley. Ashley, what did you think about the restaurant?
Ashley, you are not meant for the camera.
No, I was not. Anyways, I think I would rate it a 7.5 out of 10 just because I was kind of not hungry and I don't know.
I'm not feeling it today.
Yeah, maybe the other day when I'm really hungry, when I'm like starving, you know.
Okay, now we're here with Chloe. Chloe, what do you rate the restaurant?
Honestly, I'm gonna rate it like a 7. Yeah.
Okay, me and Molly were generous. Okay, now we're here with Grayson. Hey Grayson, what do you rate the restaurant?
I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
That's pretty solid.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
on a scale of 1 to 10, Rodizio gets a 12.
I'll see you soon for the next question of the day. Hope you enjoyed this segment. Our dessert has arrived. I got cheesecake with chocolate drizzle. Chloe, what'd you get?
Chocolate cheesecake with bananas and ice cream and whipped cream and strawberry.
Riley, what did you get?
I got the chocolate cheesecake. I think.
Asher, what did you get? I got mazab. I got flam. What did you get, Ashley?
Chocolate cheesecake.
It's flam. Watch it move. Watch it jiggle.
Lettuce.
I don't want to eat it. You can eat that.
I want to try some.
This is what Layla ordered.
Surprise me.
Yeah, I said surprise me, and this is what. Oh, did I say you could have that? How is it?
It's like flan.
It's like what?
Flan.
You would like it.
How is it?
It's really good.
Try that. You really
What does it taste like?
caramel.
No, I hate caramel. I'm gonna eat only the white part.
No, the top doesn't even taste. Is that right?
It tastes like I just got slimed. I just won the Nickelodeon Kids Choice Award and got slimed in the mouth.
TJ Maxx bathroom.
Is this the whole video? Just you eating the food?
Alright guys, we're on the bus right now. Me and Chloe are sitting here. We're headed back to the school right now, and my stomach hurts. Yeah, I need to go home, like, I need to teleport. Okay, bye guys. Guys, we made it back to the school. We had fun. I have to use the bathroom. I got to pee really bad.
Poop.
Bye guys, peace out.